Welcome back to the Steck channel here. Today we are going to be going over the GKB Sandfiller 120. So this is a verticut and collection, and it's going to distribute kiln dried sand back into the slits that it cuts. So it has a working width of 48 inches. It has 28 verticutting blades throughout the machine with 28 sand chutes that line up exactly with the blades. So the blades are going to go in and cut your slit, pull out the material, and kiln dried sand is going to flow right through here back into those slits that you just cut, and then all of your organic material that you're removing, thatch, things of that nature, from greens, approaches, tee boxes, is going to come into this hopper here, while the kiln dried sand flows out of this hopper along this belt here. You can get the blades in 3 different widths. You can get a 2 millimeter, a 3 millimeter, or 4 millimeter, depending on how aggressive you want to be. Max working depth is just over 1.25 inches. We found that most of our customers are running it at the 1 inch or 3/4 of an inch depth. You can also adjust how much sand and how rapidly the belt moves on the fly here with your hydraulic adjustment. Obviously, the faster the belt's spinning, the more sand that it's going to deliver. The slower that the belt is spinning, the less sand it's going to deliver. And it's all up to your personal preference of how much sand you want left on top after you complete the process. To adjust the height on the sand filler, much like every other piece of GKB machinery that you can adjust, is with the 2 screw jacks on each side. And those are going to kind of change the heights of your rotors, raising and lowering the rotor from its depth into your soil. So once again, we have our GKB Sandfiller 120, working width of 48 inches, 28 blades, removing organic material, dropping kiln dried sand right back into those slits that you're pulling and verticutting out. You can dump from the high dump bed here without ever leaving the tractor. You do need 4 hydraulic remote ports to run this, or two sets of remotes, one to run the belt and then one to run the dump.